Taxes can seem intimidating, especially for beginners, but with some smart strategies, you can maximize your refund. Here's a guide to help you get the most out of your tax return. 1. Understand your filing status. Choosing the right filing status can make a big difference. The most common options are single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, and head of household. Each status has its own set of benefits. For instance, head of household offers a higher standard deduction than single. Choosing the correct status based on your situation is a simple way to reduce your tax burden. 2. Keep your records organized. Good organization is key. Keep track of important documents like W-2s, 1099s, receipts for charitable donations, medical expenses, and other deductible items. Create folders or use digital tools to store everything in one place throughout the year. Being organized ensures you don't miss deductions and makes filing much easier. 3. Maximize deductions and credits. Deductions lower your taxable income, while credits reduce the amount you owe directly. For example, deductions like student loan interest or mortgage interest can reduce your taxable income. Credits such as the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, and Child Tax Credit provide direct reductions. Research all the deductions and credits you're eligible for to maximize your refund. 4. Contribute to retirement accounts. Contributing to retirement accounts like an IRA or 401k can lower your taxable income, making it a powerful tax-saving tool. For instance, if you contribute to a traditional IRA, you may be able to deduct those contributions from your taxable income, depending on your income level. It's a great way to save for the future and reduce your taxes now. 5. Use education benefits. If you're paying for education, there are credits like the American Opportunity Credit and Lifetime Learning Credit. Both can help offset tuition costs and related fees. The student loan interest deduction can reduce your taxable income if you're repaying loans, making education-related tax benefits a smart way to reduce taxes. 6. Consider the home office deduction. If you work from home, you may qualify for a home office deduction. This lets you deduct a percentage of expenses like rent, utilities, and internet if you use part of your home exclusively for work. Ensure you meet the IRS criteria for a home office to claim this deduction. 7. File electronically and choose direct deposit. Filing electronically is faster and reduces errors, as e-filing systems double-check entries. Choosing direct deposit gets your refund to you quicker than waiting for a check. Plus, electronic filing reduces the chance of processing delays. 8. Get help if needed. If taxes feel too complicated, don't hesitate to get help. A tax professional can ensure you're getting the maximum refund by applying deductions and credits you might miss. They'll also help with complex situations, making sure your return is accurate. Maximizing your tax refund isn't complicated once you know the basics. Start with these tips to make tax season easier, reduce stress, and keep more of your hard-earned money. Simple organization and awareness can lead to a better, faster return.